Welcome aboard the Naughty Girl. She's a 47-foot Buddy Davis built in 1986. Powered with twin Detroit diesels, 8D92s. Engine room has been completely refit, engines rebuilt. Over $170,000 has been spent on the upgrades and refit. The Buddy Davis is legendary for its good ride and sea-keeping abilities. She features a galley up layout, the large comfortable salon. There are 2 staterooms, plus over-under bunks in the companionway. Considering a convertible, this is definitely one to consider. She has a good layout as well as a good ride. Very fishable with a large cockpit. Overall, very good value. Should you have continued interest or want to have a tour of the vessel, please give us a call at Berry-Boger Yacht Sales. You can see it on our website, www.bbyacht.com. We'd love to show you the boat so you can see her in person.